Hey guys, so what we're going to go ahead and do today is a red lip. For those of you who don't know me, I love vintage. I love anything vintage, and I personally love a classic red lip. I feel that it just looks amazing on basically any skin tone. Here today I'm going to demonstrate for you guys how I do my classic red lip. Now, first, what I have already done is I have already started with a good base. So I have already taken a little bit of foundation, and I have already put a little bit of the foundation over my lip to go ahead and give it a good base and to cover any of your existing lip line, because we are going to go ahead and overdraw just a little bit, just to go ahead and give us a little bit more fullness and make everything look nice and clean and crisp. So second, what we're going to go ahead and do now is we're going to go ahead and we are going to line our lip just a little bit over the line, just so that way we can go ahead and make sure that we have a good, clean, crisp edge to work with. And as you can see, it doesn't look perfect yet, but as you can see, we also fill that in as well. That way it can have a lot more staying power and it can stay on all day. Now, what I like to also go ahead and do to add a little bit more warmth and dimension to my lip color is I go ahead and I add a little bit of orange. Now what this does is it gets rid of that purple color, so that way we can go ahead and have a true red color, because my skin tone normally happens to pull a lot of purple, and because since I want a true red classic look, I will add a orange tone color, and that lets me have it to be a true red classic color. There. Now you see how it just went from a purple tone to a red tone? That is what the orange does. Now what I like to go ahead and do is take it a step further. Now the red tone that I prefer is actually from Chanel. This one is in the color of Rouge Allure 169. I like this color a lot because it's creamy, but it still has staying power and it will stay on your lips all day. So now that we have lined our lips, we've added the orange tone, now we can go in with the color. And that's it, guys. That is how we do a classic red lip. And thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.